Hi, it's Jen Ike with iusereviews.com, where I only review internet marketing products and programs I actually use or have used. This is I wanted to film a part 2 of my review of the logo creator, or now known as the creator, because I realized that my last review I kind of kept hinting in the review that there's a lot more that you can do with the creator than just create logos. And I wanted to kind of explain just some of the things you can do with it. Because in my opinion, the creator actually, I don't know if it takes the place of a program like Photoshop or GIMP, but you can certainly create images that are just as eye-catching, just as appealing, that have a wide range of uses, and that wipe away the need to use those other more complicated programs. As you know, I did create the iusereviews.com logo using the creator, and I know it's kind of simple, but it was quick. And so I want to go, again, I'm going to go back to the program and kind of show you what you can do with it. Be sure to look for my first video on this matter as well on the creator, because I did do a review, just a basic review, yesterday or day before yesterday, where I talked about just what a great program it is in general. And in that video, I just created a logo from scratch. But I want to go back to the program and show you a few other tricks you can do with it. Okay, so I've widened my screen a little bit to give you a better idea of how it fits onto your desktop. And as you can see, I mean, you can go in. They have a members login because they do have a club. I'm not part of the template club, but I guess there's a club that you can, get fresh templates every month. They also have a Facebook group, and they have a really helpful forum on their site as well, where you can ask them questions and that sort of thing. But in this case, instead of using one of the pre-made logo templates like we did in the last video, I'm going to actually go to New Template. And as you can see, it will give you a canvas, like a blank canvas, where you can just import anything. You can import your own JPEG, your own GIF. You can also format the canvas. So let's say you want to make it wider, you can make it wider. You can change the height as well, or you can do it by scaling by percentage. So in this case, I want to go to File, and I'm actually going to go to Import a PNG or JPEG. So I'm going to choose to import my own image. Okay, so let me just choose an image here. And you may be asking, where do you get all the people images? Well, there are people images that come with the software when you order it. Laughing Bird gave me some free images back before they bundled it with the package, but now it's part of it. There are also some free sites where you can get images. You always want to make sure that you've got a royalty-free image that you can use, that you don't have to credit back to anybody or anything like that. Okay, so in this case, I'll use this image. And I can actually list some places where you can go to find images. There's a lot of different ones that I use. So maybe I'll list those at the end of this video. So let me see if I can scale her up a bit. Let's go with this. That's actually scaling the canvas. So let's go to, I'm going to make sure we scale the image. And I tend to be a perfectionist. I promise I won't take all day doing this. But just to kind of show you what you can do, we're going to scale this image up. And then, as you know, we can add any kind of text that we want as well. So, it's like that. we can go to format that text and pretty much select any kind of font that we want as well. You'll have to excuse me, I'm not the best graphic designer, but this program makes it really easy. There's pretty much no way to lose, you know, because all their fonts are great looking and everything. So we have that. We can format the canvas to be a different color if we choose. Well, now in this case, I wouldn't want to do that because I don't have a transparent image. So let's go back to white. But we can save it as a transparent image. And the only thing I wanted to get at with doing this is that you can then use an image like this on a wide range of applications, not just a website logo. You could use it to make t-shirts, you could put it on coffee mugs, you know, cafe press, or, you know, if you make products through a site like that, I'm not recommending them. I'm not saying one thing or another about them, but if that's one that you use, or Printfection or any of those other print on demand type services, you can upload images to that, because you can export the image and then go into a program like View, which that's a must-have if you do anything with graphics. It's free, just Google it, and then you can, from there, you can resize the image or anything like that. You can also kind of resave an image as a transparency through View. I do that sometimes with varying results, so it doesn't always work for me, but a lot of times it does. So as you can see, there's so much more that you can do with this program, with the logo creator, than just create than just create logos for your website. You could make all kinds of products with it, and so that's why I consider it one of the most useful tools that I have, and that I think every internet marketer should have, or product creator, because you can just create such a wide range of products with it. So if you're interested in picking it up, you want to pick it up through my affiliate link, I'd appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.